To set corner action for top left to open recent app screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stops. Under corner action section, tap top left. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on option next to recent to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see the result while auto click feature is on, connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done, now you can easily open recent app screen where you can see all of your active or open apps by hovering and stopping your mouse pointer on the top left corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.